Greetings, Mia Mia. I appreciate your birthday and also happy birthday to you. I hope your birthday will be great and awesome. And God bless you, Mia Mia. May God be with you and may He lead you through your days of living. Thank you, Mia Mia. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mia! Thank you for all the sacrifices and everything you and Dadu have done for us. I always thank God for blessing me with such great and selfless parents. I constantly pray to God to give you good health, safety, and happiness. And we miss you both so much, and I hope to see you soon. And I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday, Mia!
Happy birthday, Mia! We love you so much.
We appreciate you, Mia, for all your sacrifices and for being the best mom. We hope that for the next year we could celebrate your birthday together.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We love you, Mia.
See you.
Mwah.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Auntie, we wish you good health, more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. We miss you always. Sophia, say happy birthday to Lola.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your special day, Auntie. Cheers.
We love you and we miss you, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Doc Menda. More birthdays to come. I wish you a good health and more blessings to come.
Hello. Good birthday lang.
Happy birthday, May. Wishing you all the best. Ang ping mo diha sa Canada. Greetings from Camiguin Island. Birthday. Happy birthday, Mads.
Nen, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Wishing you all the best. God bless.
Hi, Ate Linda. Kumusta? Happy birthday po. Wishing you all the best and happiness in life. Bye!
Hi, Doctora. Happy 70th birthday. Wish you happiness and good health. God bless.
Hello, Min. Good morning. Kumusta ka? Happy birthday. We miss you. Kay dugay na kita wala nagkita.
Welcome to the Seniors Club Group. Pero, hindi na tayo kasi 17ers ka na. So, me, regards to everybody, to boy and the kids, and your apo. Kaya, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Minda. Wish you all the best. Yeah. Come back soon. We miss you.
Hi, Min. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ming! 60 years old sa Atubio ka. Ngayon 70 sa Canada ka. Paano ang 80? Di na kami pwede. Baka sabon ka na. Okay, mag-celebrate kami ng birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Minda! I love you!
Oh, yan mo.
Happy birthday, Minda!
Oh, Minda, happy birthday. Ilan na edad din mo? Happy birthday, sis. Happy 70 years old. Sana moabot ka pa og 170 years old. Oh, makaanhi ka din pag birthday mo. Okay.
Hi, Ate Minda. Hello sa inyong tanan diha. Happy celebration, Ate Minda. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa imo na you have more time, more energy to bond with your loved ones in the coming years. Sa amping kanunay, happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Ate Minda. Unsa inyong handa diha. Unya, enjoy your special day. Unya, pag-uli ni mo dire, ato ta og Bicol. Kay para masolve natin ang problema. Sige, bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the love and the support that you have given my family throughout all of these years. These past few years haven't been the easiest, but Knowing that you and your family are always there for us is such a big help. So thank you. We truly appreciate it. Hopefully we see each other soon. Sana makapunta kayo dito or makapunta kami dyan sa Canada. I wish you nothing but the best. Good health, happiness, love, to more laag to you and Uncle Boy. And yeah, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
I would like to greet Ate Minda a very, very happy birthday. Indeed, your birthday is really a milestone that everybody is aiming to reach, no? Because not everyone get to celebrate 70 years of full of blessings, full of the graces from God, and you are so blessed talaga that you already have reached this age. Si Ate Minda ang the first sibling na nakilala ko. Siya yung unang pinakilala sa akin ni Boying when we were planning to get married. And we immediately clicked kasi very friendly yan siya eh. She's the friendliest among the Gutierrez siblings. Kaya nanalo siya na na barangay kagawad because of her being friend to everyone. She's very easy to deal with, very easy to be friends with, and very accommodating. Anything that you need, she always has the solution, no matter how hard it is, and no matter how difficult it would be. She would always give a helping hand to everyone who is in need of her help. And that makes her very, very famous, I should say, to the people here in Davao, particularly in Catalonan Grande. Kasi nga, because of the nature of her being very friendly. I would also like to thank you, Ate Minda, for always being there sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin. Especially nung nagkasakit si Boying. Being very far from us was not much of a difference because you were always there to lend a helping hand together with your children. Hindi ko yan makakalimutan. All the help that you have extended to our family, we will forever be grateful for that. We will not forget. We will never forget all the help that you have extended to us. And so it's my prayer that the Lord will continue to bless you with good health, happiness. Of course, I know you're very happy with your children and your grandchildren there. More wealth, of course. More wealth to share with the less privileged. And I know the Lord will grant all the desires of your heart because you have a very, very good heart. Sorry, naiiyak ako. How I wish Boying is here to greet you also, but then wala na nga siya. And so, salamat masyado for all the love that your family has extended to us. I hope to see you soon. Magkita tayo sana sa yung pinag-usapan natin sa Germany soon. And I hope also to be able to go and visit you all there in Canada. So once again, my prayers for your continued good health and well-being there. And I also hope to see you soon back here in Davao. And may God bless you all, the whole family, the Rodriguez family. God bless, and we love you all. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mia! Sing.
Birthday, Mia. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let me get this. Happy birthday.
Say, I love you, Mia.
Dr. Aminda, si Attorney Jimmy Bondok po ito. Nagkataon nandito ako sa Hong Kong at nahanap ako ng anak ninyo. I want to wish you a very happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. God bless you and stay healthy.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Minda. Happy birthday. All the best on your 70th birthday. You have a very nice son. Happy birthday po.
Happy 70th birthday, Dr. Minda. I wish you love, good health, and happiness.
Minda. Dugay na tang kaila. Ayaw kong kalimti sa imong blowout. Happy 70th birthday.